rain showers. Highs in the mid-50s. Lows in the upper 40s. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Lafayette County in south-central Wisconsin, northwestern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:47 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Darlington to near Apple River, moving northeast at 65 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monroe, Darlington, New Glarus, Monticello, Albany, Argyle, Blanchardville, Wheeler, South Wayne, Lamont, Browntown, Gratiot, Attica, Jordan Center, and Woodford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the NOAA